Using one simple Claude skill, I was able to find this untapped dropshipping product in less than 10 minutes, and I didn't have to waste a ton of time scrolling or searching through the ad library. And now I can hop on this same exact product as my competitor, take a look at their ads, and replicate this so I can scale as quickly as possible. If you're tired of scrolling through the Facebook ad library trying to find your next winning dropshipping product, and you keep coming across relatively the same exact products that oftentimes land you in a super competitive niche, and you're trying to look for unique products that no one else has really gone after, but still solve a clear enough problem and have proof of concept and can actually sell, what I'm about to show you is a super easy skill that you can install into your Claude bot right now. Use that skill to find winning products and also winning angles that you can take so you can easily scale your store. There is a ton of product research tools, but the only one that directly connects with Claude as of right now is TrendTrack. I'll leave a link in the description where you can save 20% off for the first 3 months, but this is your all-in-one product research tool. I'll show you exactly how you can find winning products, but more importantly, I'm gonna show you how you can connect this directly into Claude and install a list of winning skills that you can use to find products, to find winning angles, to basically copy and replicate anything that's going well for your competitors right now in the market. TrendTrack is a tool that I've been talking about on my channel forever. It's the tool that I use to find my first set of winning dropshipping products to help me scale to $5,000 a day, $10,000 a day. And it's so cool because not only can you find winning products, but you can get a ton of analytics and information about your competitors, like how long they've been scaling, all the ads in their ad library, their best performing ads. All you have to do to make this work is just go into Google and type in TrendTrack MCP connection once you sign up with the link in the description. Then you can go to this here and it'll explain basically exactly how to set this up. All you have to do is see integrations, go to Claude, and then it's going to explain to you how to set this up in literally as simple as 3 clicks. So all it's explaining you to do is just go into your Claude on your desktop or on your computer and just go to customize, then connectors, hit this add custom connectors, and you're literally just going to copy this link here and call it the TrendTrack MCP connection. Once you do that, you'll see that you'll have the connection and integration. And then from here, you'll see that a ton of skills get automatically added in. This is completely free to do, by the way, and set up once you have it installed into Claude, assuming you have a TrendTrack account. And then you're going to hit always allow. Personally, this is what I like to do. And then for the more private stuff, if you want to write or delete or change anything, you can leave this on needs approval, but I like to keep this on always allow. And this is going to just be your folders that track winning products. If you have a store that you want to manage and track and see whenever they're launching new ads or see what ads are scaling, TrendTrack allows you to have custom folders where you can see and monitor all this. So this stuff you might want to leave on just needs approval, but I personally leave on always allow. And now you have a ton of skills that you can use to find winning products. You can see what shops are doing really well in scaling. You can transcribe your competitors' winning ads. You can save and favorite certain stores. You can find winning products or stores and then ask TrendTrack to find similar ones in the market space that you want to replicate. So if you're trying to gauge how competitive a product or niche is, you can use this for that as well. And then from here, I literally just put the skill in, find winning products, and then it's going to prompt you if you want to look for a certain niche or a certain type of winning product. I just put a broad scan because it's going to automatically find the products for me. And as you can see here, I have a list of products that are doing well and some analytics to follow up with that. I can see their score, their advertiser score, to see how well they are actually doing based off of certain metrics, like how many ads they're launching, how old their store is, if they're ramping up in website visitors. So you can keep doing this and it's going to give you a list initially. And then from there, you can always ask Claude to give me another batch of winning products. And now you don't have to waste a ton of time scrolling through the feed and trying to manually do this yourself. So here's another one of those stores that TrendTrack listed off as a winning product that is doing well right now. So this is a facial therapy massager tool, which is really cool. If we go here on the right-hand side, I personally have the TrendTrack Chrome extension installed. It's a free Chrome extension that you can sign up. Just go into Google, type in TrendTrack Chrome extension. And this is really cool because when you're on a website, you can see the monthly visitors. You can see if they're adding in new ads. You can also use this feature here at the bottom where you can turn off image protection and media protection, and you can actually go in and you could copy stuff off of people's websites and download their images if you wanted to download them and re-upload them and recreate them in Nano or whatever tool you want to use. So the Chrome extension tool is really, really cool. I highly recommend it. A lot of times I like to look at it to find what apps certain people are using. So I can see here that they're using Upcart, Rappi, Pagefly, Kaching bundles. They have a ton of different tools that they're using for pixel tracking. So it's a cool all-in-one extension tool that is just an additional add-on, which is really cool. So I can look through here. And more importantly, I'm going to look and I can see their viral ads. And then I can also just go into Claude and ask stuff like, so I can say for this brand specifically, what is their winning angle and their top avatar? So not only do I get to actually find the winning products by doing next to nothing, but then I can just ask Claude and speak with it and ask, based off of what you see in the ad library, what's my competitor actually doing to scale, right? What's their winning angle? What's their winning avatar? Of course, you can manually go through this and read or watch the videos yourself, but you can also have Claude kind of start to gather this context, and then you can use that later down the line to help recreate some winning ads for you if you want to recreate some statics, some natives, or start to script out some video ads as well. So as you can see here in real time, Claude is giving us a full breakdown. So it's telling us they have 89 active ads. Their control creative, their highest one has 11,000 reach, running 35 days, copied verbatim across 12 of their top 15 ads. So we found what ad is working really well for them. And now we can see what that ad is. Your skin is tired, your schedule's packed, you don't have time for a spa, but you deserve one. So now we know this is the caption from that ad. Now we'd want to actually watch the ad. And then it's going to talk about the different angles that is working really well for them. So they're tired of puffy morningness, glowing skin every single morning. So they're really going after busy professionals slash moms ages 35 to 50, anti-aging and depuffing concerns, skincare, invested but convenience driven, right? So we're getting their top angles here, and their main emotional driver is self-care, guilt slash permission. She reframes the purchase as is deserved rather than a vain or indulgent. Yeah, so that's pretty cool. And what we can do now is take a look at some of these other products here that we got from Claude connected directly through TrendTrack here. All right, so the other store we got here is a brand called Her Bloom, which are their Bloom leggings. It's not shapewear, not compression, the only legging engineered to treat cellulite. So leggings designed to treat cellulite. Very interesting, right? So cellulite is just the saggy looking skin on women's legs and body. And apparently this not only helps treat this, but it kind of reduces it or removes it completely. I think this is a really interesting product. I think especially coming during the summertime, depending on when you're watching this video, this could be a really, really good product that does really well. I like this. This is really interesting. Their website looks really cool too. And with the Chrome extension, you can download some of these images and recreate them. This website looks really nice. And then in their ad library, they have 250 active ads right now. So that makes sense as to why they're a scaling product. I'm normally not the biggest fan of clothing. Wait, let's verify this real quick. Is that okay? Sorry, not 250, but they have 83 active ads. And when did they just recently launch? No, so they've been running ads for a couple of months now, and they've been running a lot of statics and just images. So that's really interesting here. And then we can once again ask Claude to say, hey, what's their top biggest, avatar or niche that they're going after? Obviously, this is really cool because now we can just see exactly what's working well for them. And this is another niche or product that I didn't even know existed. I would have never even thought to look at this, right? So this is really cool for finding those untapped products. If you feel like you've been going after the same products in the same niche and you want to kind of step out and find something a little bit different, I'd highly recommend setting this up because this is really cool. I've been scanning through products all the time, almost every day, and I've never came across a product like this. So this is really dope. I like this. Okay, so I just decided to ask Claude, generate me 5 more winning products. Just because why not, right? You did a good job with the first 5. Let's see if we got more. And then it generated me a list, gave me a nice little report here, and then I asked it to give me the ad libraries for each of these 5 new stores here. So we have some really interesting products yet again. So this Sculpt Lab product, this seems like the same kind of product as the other leggings. These are designed to kind of just help women shape their body. So overall, really cool product. But we've kind of seen something like this. This helps us understand, though, that there's a market for this and this space is doing really well, which is good. But let's pull up another one of these here. This product seems really interesting. So this here, this page here is scaling up with a ton of ads here. They have a variety of different ads, but a lot of them are natives, which is interesting. If you hit shop now, and you can see that they're selling an encyclopedia for children, 100,000 Whys, Build Your Child's Ultimate Brain. So this is like a book that you sell to your child. It's educational driven. I think they built this part of their website using Claude. This looks like some Claude code here. And yeah, so they're scaling up. They have a ton of ads and selling these books here. Another prime example of finding hidden products that you would never otherwise think would sell. And clearly this person is making money because they have 190 active ads all going to the same product, and they've been running ads for, a little over a couple of weeks now. So it's very hard for me to assume that someone would be running ads for 2 to 3+ weeks and not making any money, right? So sorry, more than a couple of weeks, a couple of months, right? They started launching, actually, no, yes. Let's actually here to see how long, because we're just kind of getting their best impression ads. But if we go to refresh and go to more recent here, let's see how long they've been running ads for. Yeah, so they started running ads in April. So April, first week of April, they started running ads. So that tells me that they are, they've been scaling this, because it's been almost a month, over a month now, and they're still running ads, and they have a ton of ads going to the same product. So that's always a good sign that the person's actually making money. So we got another one here too. So Spritz, 82 active ads. And what are they selling? This seems okay. So sculpting device. So it seems like, especially at this time of the year, I'm recording this video on the 1st of June, 2026. So around this time of the year, we're seeing a couple trends happen, right? People wanting to shape the way they look, which makes sense. It's summertime. People are going to be showing their legs more, going to the beaches more. So this niche in general, which is sculpting and cellulite and fixing how your physical appearance looks, makes sense. This product looks really dope. This looks like a really, really cool product. So it seems like a sculpting device. Ooh, I might give this product a try. Might test this product. I don't know. We'll see. This looks really dope because it's cool. It's a visual product, but it also is something different that I don't really see on the market. So this is also another interesting product. And then you have potential to upsell really well with like a anti-cellulite massage tool. So another untapped product that I think has a lot of potential here. It fits a really big TAM, and it's going into the summer, which helps as well. So that's really dope. And then what we got here, let's see. What is this? Ooh, okay. So a pet product. So a natural rose tick defense spray. Okay, yeah, this could do really well. The pet niche is always one of those more competitive niches for sure, but depending on the product that you're selling, there's always room to enter the market and find different angles to compete in a competitive market. So this looks really interesting too. They have 210 ads active. So another good sign, once again, that someone's doing really well. And then let's go once again to this last one here and see what we got going on. I'm trying to see if there's a product that I might have seen before. So far, all these are different products that I haven't really looked into. So Murphy's Law, I've seen this book before on someone selling it. This person definitely built their entire website using Claude, which is cool. But yeah, this is dope. This product is one of those very similar products where it's just helping to educate your child and get them more knowledgeable about certain topics. And they have 160 ads, and they're probably scaling up as well. So as you can see, man, really, really cool. And you can just sit here and just keep typing in, give me 5 more products, or give me 10, give me 20 products. Go, get a snack or go make some lunch or whatever, and come back and you have a list of products that you can find at your fingertips. And then to double down, I would just go look through each of the products and then simply prompt Claude and ask it, hey, based off of, this winning product, help me find some angles that are untapped or tapped, or that my avatars or my competitor is scaling with. And then that way that can help you build a foundation for the ads that you would test and launch for this product. As always, hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you want to save some money with the TrendTrack tool to make this entire process as smooth and as easy as possible, go in the link in the description, save 20% off. Don't spend extra money if you don't have to. And then of course, if you want help building and scaling your dropshipping store, picking that winning product, but more importantly, showing you exactly how to scale it with Facebook ads, definitely head in the description and feel free to sign on up to Social Brands Club, my online community, where I'll help you pick a product, help you scale that product, and help you make as much money as possible. See you guys all in the next one. Take care.